Yeah, yeah. Here's the Facebook famous Ricky Bobby.
What's up? What's up?
All right. What are we gonna do today?
Gotta do an oil change and possibly the plugs.
Okay.
Got about 36 miles.
And you do got it dirty.
Yeah.
Car wash after or what?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Okay, badass. Let's get the car up. All right, step one, you need a lift. You need to go buy yourself a lift to do an oil change on a Camaro because they're too low. And it's a 15 millimeter socket. Break the oil pan drain bolt loose. Ugh. Like that, just on the ground or what, Rick?
I do it on the ground. Backyard highlights.
Yeah, we come over here because we don't like to work on the ground no more.
You know what the guy?
Yeah, go for it. Let's see. It's gonna be hot. You gotta be careful because it fills up really fast.
It's 10 quarts.
3, 2. I'm gonna burn myself or what? Scary. Ooh. Oh, it's hot. This is 10 quarts coming out.
10 quarts.
Oh my god, this bolt is burning me. Right now we'll come down and check it out. Looks alright.
First oil change I've done since I've had it.
Cool. What does it say? Omnicron?
Omnicraft.
Omnicraft?
Yeah.
It has to be some quick lube.
Quick blue bullshit
Quick lube
places.
stuff. That's why we
Sorry.
That's why we do oil changes ourselves. Because can never trust anybody.
No,
to
sir.
put the good stuff.
You guys want your stuff to be clean and taken care of? Hub City's where it's at.
Yay. I don't like making a mess either. Damn, it's hot.
You know, one of the things I like about your shop is that it's clean, man. I despise walking into another shop and they got tools all over the floor, and it's like, I don't know if I want to leave my car here.
Yeah. I like wanting to come to the shop, you know?
Yeah.
When you come to a clean shop, you like being here.
Most definitely.
Check the air filter. There's how many bolts do you see? 1 down there, 2, 3, 4, and
5 and 6.
yeah, there's one back. Dang, all that just take off the air filter?
Yeah.
Alright, go for it. Let's see. Oh, stock filter. Ooh.
There we go. That is why you should change your air filters.
Just on it leaves from just sitting or what?
Yeah,
Maybe.
So, I guess what we'll go ahead and do is right now, if we change the plugs, we'll go ahead and drop a K&N.
We'll pull a plug and get one. You gonna get a K&N?
Might as well.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
All right. You're here to make the car better, not slower?
Exactly.
All right. Gonna add here the spark plug wires and stuff are a little hard to get. But there's a 10 millimeter bolt that goes here and the upper hose and a little battery cable tab that goes back here. If you take that off, you're able to move the coolant tank out the way. And you can access the spark plugs and the wires way easier from here. Damn, that's a nice filter, dog.
Yes, sir.
I like it. Way better than the stock one. All right, plugs are done. And wires, we're just gonna clean it up and put the covers back on and send Ricky on his way. Okay. It's all buttoned up, right? We got everything good?
I think so.
Yeah, everything's Let's reset the light and go do a burnout or what? Nah, I'm playing. Oh. All right, we're good. All right, let's find out how to reset the oil life. No, navigations, options, units. Info. Remaining oil life. We go to the right and we go reset. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes. Go 100% oil life. You should go back down to speedo. All right. Good to go.